Hello, Rico the wedding singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack somebody's upper back by using your two hands like this. All it is use your palm of your hands and you push upwards in a slow, quick motion at the first time. Let me show you how it's done. This is my lovely assistant. All you do is push your hand up here and right here and get a closer look. And you push this way. And that's how you do it. Please consult your chiropractor, physical therapist, and physician. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.